Hello friends, engaging your viewers by replying their comments and replies is an essential part of your YouTube journey. In this video, we will discuss about how you can do the same using your YouTube studio. So I have already logged into Chrome studio.youtube.com. Now here I need to find the button for comments. So I'm pressing B.
List analytic comments button visited link.
So comments. Now I'm pressing enter. So once I press enter, a new page will open. Now I am pressing H.
Main landmark channel comments and mentions heading level 1.
Comments. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Clickable tab selected comments.
Comments and
Tab mentions.
mentions. Mentions means if someone is mentioning you in their videos or comments or anywhere in the YouTube, so all the mentions are showing here. We will show you about this later. To check the comments, you need to press down arrow,
Clickable button published.
published and
Button held for review.
held for review. There are two status of the comments. So those comments are bad or spam comments recognized by YouTube are
Button held for review.
held for review. You need to review those comments and publish them if required. I am pressing down arrow.
Clickable button I haven't responded. Press enter to edit.
These are the filters. So if you press enter here, you can change the filter. I have not responded is the default filter options, which enables you to check those comments only which you have not responded yet. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Edit as autocomplete. Clickable link graphic at a bit but 827.
So this is the commentator name and I'm pressing down arrow.
Link at a bit but 827 bullet 4 out.
Again,
Clickable very good explanation.
very good explanation. This is the comment which has left by this commentator.
Clickable button reply.
Now reply, if you want to give the reply, you can press enter here, type your reply, press tab and you will get the reply button. We will see how it works. Let's press down arrow.
Clickable button unavailable view all replies.
View all replies.
Clickable button like this comment along with 0 other people.
So like,
Clickable button dislike this comment.
Dislike.
Clickable button heart.
heart. Heart means if you press enter here, the user will get a notification that congratulations, your comment got a love, or the channel name like Accessible Computing Hindi loves your comment. By the way, if you are not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe our Hindi channel. If you are a Hindi user or if you can understand Hindi, we are uploading videos regularly in Hindi also. Link is given at the first comment and the description of this video. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Button action menu.
Action menu. Some actions you can take. I'm pressing spacebar here.
Action menu. Clickable menu item remove. Menu
Remove if you want. You can remove that comment. And
menu item hide user from
hide
channel.
user from channel.
Clickable always approve comments from this.
Always approve comments.
Clickable add user as managing moderator.
Add user as managing moderator, which we'll discuss later.
Clickable add user as standard. Button.
Okay, so the next is
Button keep watching.
these are some suggested replies.
Button thanks for liking. Button thanks and welcome. Link easy trick to copy long text and articles using link easy trick to copy long text and articles using NVDA.
So this is the video on which the user has been left the comment. Okay, so this is all about the comments. Now if I press down arrow, I can see the next comment.
Button link clickable. Button link button view comment on YouTube. Button link button view comment on YouTube.
Right?
Link button keep watching.
So I'm just
Clickable button unavailable view all reply. Clickable button reply.
reply.
Add a reply.
So here I am typing thank
you for your true support Thank you for your true support.
Now my reply has been written. Either I can press Ctrl Enter or I can press tab until I get.
Got out. Clickable reply button.
Okay, so I'm pressing Enter here.
Reply added.
Now reply is added. So this is how you can reply to any comments. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Link graphic at link at accessible bullet link easy trick to
I'm pressing up arrow.
button action menu clickable button heart.
So I'm giving the heart.
Clickable remove heart button.
Now I'm pressing down arrow. See.
But link graphic at accessible computing Hindi.
Right.
Link at accessible computing Hindi. Bullet 0 seconds ago. Clickable thank you for your true support.
Okay, thank you for your true support. So this is
clickable thank
how you can easily manage your new comments. Now if you want to check the old comments, how you can check that? If you want to know more about it, like how to check the old comments and all, please let us know into the comment section. We will make the video for that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video of this series.